So welcome back. We're going to continue with variable and verbal expressions. Again, that variable or algebraic expression is more that symbolic language. Verbal expressions are what we mean by writing it like in words. So write each expression as a verbal expression. So notice how these are in a symbolic language. So we've got to write this as a verbal expression. So we see a plus 9. I could just write a plus 9, but we also know there's another word for addition, that's the sum. So I could say the sum of a and 9. And that would be writing it out in a verbal language. So when I see addition, that implies the word the sum. So the sum of a and 9. Here I have 5 times n. Again, I could say 5 times n, write that all out in words. But what I could also say is the product of 5 and n. And that would be a way to express that as a verbal expression. Here I see 4 to the second power. But when I see a power of 2, a lot of times we say squared. So we could probably write this as 4 squared. Something like that. So writing it out in words, 4 squared. And I could do that also like the number 5. I could change 5 to a word 5. And say with the word 9, I could say that as a word 9. And it would still be suffice. So notice how again addition is the sum, multiplication is the product. Again, we have this exponent language of squaring. And just also as a note there, if I gave you one more problem, if I gave you 9 minus f, there's a couple ways of saying this problem. I could say the difference between 9 and f, the difference, so difference between 9 and f. So when I see a problem like this, I could use the word difference to find subtraction, to denote subtraction. You also could say f is subtracted from 9. So notice how the f is being subtracted from the 9. So there's a couple ways you can actually demonstrate that. So hopefully that will help you out with working with algebraic expressions and what we call verbal expressions. Stay tuned.